To connect your FxPro account to MetaTrader 5, start by opening the MT5 app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon and select Manage Accounts. Here you'll see your current accounts, but to add FxPro, tap the ++ in the top right corner. Now choose Login to an existing account. In the search bar, type FxPro and you'll see several servers appear. Make sure to pick the correct FxPro-MT5 server based on your trading account. Once selected, enter your login ID and password that FxPro provided when you created your account. After filling those in, tap Sign In. If the details are correct, your account will connect instantly, and you'll be able to view your balance, open trades, and start trading directly through MT5. That's it. Your FxPro account is now fully linked with MetaTrader 5.